Hello guys, welcome to Govind Education. We were learning Rust. Today we are going to start our third chapter, Variables and Mutability. In today's lecture, I'll cover what is immutability, what is mutability, shadowing and constants. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your VS Studio. Here I am doing cargo new variable. See here under new variable, under a variable we have main.rs. We all know that variable stores the value, and in Rust they are immutable. By default, variables are immutable. What does that immutable means? That you cannot change the value of a variable. Okay, so how we will define? We will use the keyword let. So let variable क्या लिया हमने? What is the variable here? So I am writing let x is equals to 5. X is a variable. I am assigning the value 5 to the x. Alright. Now I am printing this value. Now again I'll say x is equals to 6. Okay. So let us run this. See, I have defined a value x and a value x is equals to 6. Okay. Now I am going to run this and I get this error. See, I got this error, cannot assign twice to immutable variable x. Now x is a immutable, you cannot change the value. X is equals to 5 as well x is equals to 6. Now this is a problem, right? If we want to reassign the value, what we will use? We will use mute keyword, that is MUT. What we will use? Mute keyword, for that MUT. Okay. Now this x is mutable. Now we can change the value. We will run this program. See, the value of x is equals to 5 and 6. The x is equals to 5 and x is equals to 6. Now after writing mute, we will get the value of both the variables. Okay, I hope mutable and immutable is clear. Now we will go to our next concept, which is constant. What is the difference between immutable and constants? In Rust, immutables are by default, right? If we use const keyword in front of any variable, that means you cannot use mute. You cannot change the value after that. Const remains same throughout the program. For example, we will do a program related to pi. Pi's value is 3.14. Okay. So throughout the program, we cannot change the value of pi using mute. Second difference is it can be declared in any scope, whether it is global or local. Some of you don't want to install Visual Studio on your laptop. For them, I'll use today online editor. Here it's a Rust official online editor. You can use this for running your small codes who want to learn Rust but don't want to install Rust on your PC. Here you see playground. In this playground, you can type your code and you can practice here without installing Rust. For the const I'll do here and shadowing I'll do in this online editor. For the constant we use keyword const, okay, plus variable name. I'll use my variable name pi. It has a data type, like it's a floating type 32-bit. and I'll provide the value in this, that is 3.14. Okay, now this const you cannot change throughout the program. I'll print this. Here you run the program and you can see the standard output here. Pi's value is 3.14. Now you try to change this value and tell me what error is coming in the comment section below. Okay, I'll tell you the next concept, shadowing. See, shadowing is a redeclaration of a variable with the same name, and the first variable is shadowed by the second variable. I am declaring variable x with the two different values, 5 and 6. Now let us print this value. Which value is getting shadowing? See here, let x is equals to 5. If this is intentional, prefix it with underscore. If I use underscore x, that means this is a different variable. Now one variable with the two different values, so it is showing warning, and value of x is equals to 6 is displayed. That means second variable is overshadow the first variable. I hope immutability, mutability, shadowing and constants are clear to you. If you have any doubts still, please write in the comment section. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Govind Education. Thank you. Bye-bye.